Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making jerk chicken. I do have a oven jerk chicken video on my channel, but now I'm going to be making jerk chicken on the grill, and I'm going to show you it my way. Everybody does your jerk chicken the way they like it, but this is my way, and yes, it tastes like the real authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. So for this I'm going to be using chicken quarters, so the breast and the wing and the leg and the thighs. And fortunate for me, where the chicken was bought, it already comes clean up for the most part, so all I'm going to be doing is putting some slices in it, because the same day I season this is the same day I'm making it, and trust me, it tasted so good. Like, my friends can attest to it because they were the one who I made it for. I made it the Friday, and then it was requested the Saturday, and I also made it the Saturday, all season on the day that it was being cooked. So I made the slices in the chicken, and then I do some little stabbings. This allows the season, the dry season and the green season, to go into the flesh and the bone quicker. And of course I'm going to let it marinate for a little while, but trust me, people always say you have to let the chicken season overnight for it to taste good. If I do it this way, trust me, it's gonna be delicious. So of course, I'm gonna be washing my chicken with some vinegar. You can use lime, lemons, vinegar, whatever you choose, but chicken should be washed. Yes, you should wash your chicken. So I'm going to run some water on it, wash it out, make sure it's properly washed. And then of course, I'm going to drain off the water. And then you could pat dry it. I didn't do that though, but you can. And then I'm going to add my different powdered seasons to the meat for it to marinate for a little while. So firstly, I'm going to add my special jerk. This jerk season powder is made by my mother. What is in it? I don't remember all the details. If I did, would I have said it anyways? No. So if you guys want us to make it for you, just hit those up, hit those coins, and we could make it for you, and it's good. I'm also going to add some Maggi all-purpose and chicken season, and then this is my green season. I do have a green season recipe on my channel, so you guys can check it out. So I'll add the link below. And then I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to make sure I put this green season into the different cuts that I made. So every bite that you take, you're tasting the natural season and the powdered season. Like, this chicken was bomb. It was busting. So of course I rub it up, and then I let it marinate. I think I didn't put it in the refrigerator. It stayed on the counter, and it was there for about 2 hours before I started jerking it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I have two methods for jerking chicken. So this method, I'm going to put the chicken in the oven for about 30 minutes or less, just to half cook it and to suck the blood out of it, and then I'm going to put it on the grill. You could put it straight onto the grill. I've done it that way too, but this way is quicker and I was strapped for time. So of course I'm here lighting my coal fire. As a country girl, but I know how to light a good coal fire. And surprisingly, this is the first in all my years of lighting coal fire that the fire actually light on my first attempt. Like it did light very quickly. So when my fire, well, all of it never light one time. Like the middle did light, and then the end did like catch. But for coal, especially when you're jerking, once some of it is lit, once the minute you put the meat on it and the juices starts dropping on the coal, it helps it to blaze up. So this is after I took my chicken from the oven. So now it don't fully cook, but it kind of cook enough for it to go on the grill. I didn't want it to be fully cooked because of course I want it to have the real authentic jerk smoke and the jerk and the grill flavor. So I'm gonna put my chicken on the grill, and it's that sauce. So that sauce right there, it's gonna be used to baste the chicken throughout the cooking process, because jerk chicken not supposed to be dry. Like it's supposed to be nice, juicy, soft, succulent, and delicious. So of course, don't throw away the juices. Do not throw away the juices. Like if you choose to do it this way, keep this juice and use it to baste your thick chicken throughout the jerking process, so you can have nice juicy jerk chicken. Make sure you turn your chicken throughout the cooking process. You don't want it to burn, so you don't have to stand over it, but make sure you're keeping an eye on it, so you can turn it and turn it and make sure everything is properly cooked through. And of course, remember I say baste and baste and baste your chicken throughout the jerking process, so it is nice, moist, and juicy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
After about having my chicken on the grill for about, I think it was there for 25 minutes or so, it was basically ready. Like it's ready. So I was just making sure everything was good before I added my bear, and it's me doing a little dancey, and then it was back to the cooking. So now I'm going to baste it with a little bit of bear. People normally use the regular red stripe bear, but I'm using the lemon bear because it adds that little flavor. So of course I'm doing my magic. So yeah, after this I let it stay for about 2 more minutes, and then I took it off, and it was time to enjoy this chicken. So yeah, chop up chicken. Make sure everybody get them nice serving. As you can look and see, everything is properly cooked. All the chicken is well soaked. Like this jerk chicken. Woo! Look at that. That's a jerk chicken. That's straight enough. Wow, this was delicious though. So I hope you guys do try out this recipe. It was great, and thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Golden spice Nigeria.
Assim, já assim.